Hi, you are welcome to Mama's Coding. I'm Ruby Islam Rocky here with you for share a little experience. There will be two parts in this project. So in this first part, we will learn how to make a toggle switch button exactly like this. And in the second part, we will learn how to turn the bulb on off with this switch. So without further talk, let's get started. So now we will take a deep and obviously we have to give a class name in this give. So the give class name will be swissbox, for example. Okay, then we'll take a label inside the div, and inside the label we will take a checkbox input because for we want to create a click function only using HTML and CSS. After all, we will take one more thing, that is icon. For that, I'm going to my browser and searching box icons. From here, we need to copy this code and have to be pasted in header. And now we will search our necessary icon that we need. After paste it, we will add one more extra class name for CSS styling. Okay, then for the time being our HTML code is done. Now we will do CSS code for styling. So first of all, we will remove page margin and padding from this page. For that, we have to add margin 0, padding 0. Okay, then it's complete. Now we will hold the body tag and paste it here. And we have to add display flags, justify line item center, and justify content will be center. And also we have to add page height, and height will be 100 px. After apply those code on body tag, our element is situated in middle of the page. So now we will again copy this class name and paste it here. Now we will add height and width for switch box, and the switch box background color will be white. So give a background color on the body, something like dark. The color code is 0B0B16. Okay, then it's done. Let's again apply some CSS on switch box. For example, we have to add a border radius, and for the time being it's completed. Now we will work on label because for making toggle switch, the label position will be absolute. So position absolute and top will be 50% because we want to place it in middle, and left also will be 50%. Okay, then we will add height and width. After set background color, we can see this has gone beyond of our reach, so there's no problem, we can fix it by adding transform translate minus 50% and another one minus 50%. Right now we can see this label situated in middle of the switch box div. Now copy this exact class name and paste it here and get back to our HTML code and copy our extra class name from icon, and we will apply some CSS. icon, or you can say toggle. This icon background width will be 100% and height will be 50%, because for when we will click on this switch, at the same time the toggle will be moving top to bottom. For that we'll add 50% height. When this switch is off, at that time the icon color will be red, and when this switch will be on, at that time the switch icon color will be green, something like green, or you can be add blue. It's dependent on you. To bring the icon to the center, we have to add line height 80 pixel and text align center. It's centered now. Also, we will add text shadow for this icon. It's like red. After added text shadow, we can see a red shadow. It's looking good. In this moment, we can hide this checkbox from the display. I think our design part is completed now. So at the next time we have to make a click function for when we will click on the switch, at the same time the toggle will be moving top to bottom. So let's do it. Follow my instruction and do the same thing as like me, and then I will make you understand the concept. So here we have set up a logic, that is when the checkbox will be check marked, at the time the icon property will be working, but still we did not add any property in this. Here we will add top 50%, because for after click the switch, the power toggle will be moving top to bottom 50%. This is working exactly our wishes that we wanted to make. After switch on the power color will be changed. For that we have added a new color here. Also we have to change text shadow. For that, just copy this code and paste it in here and change the color of it. Okay, then it's complete. Wow, it's working. Now we will add transition for smoothly moving. Wow, it's working nicely according to our wishes. At least we have finished our first part, and now in the next part we'll learn how to turn on off the bulb by switch. So that's it for the time being. See you in the next part and take care of yourself. Bye bye.